Hi guys, in this video we have a Hyundai Santa Fe and I'll quickly show you how you can enable the child lock, be it for the doors or for the windows. So to do that, over here there is this with the cross and the child symbol. You just press that and the rear occupants will no longer be able to open the door from the inside or even put the windows down. So I'll come inside. Now I cannot open the door nor can I put the windows down. The windows can be put down only from the front. And yeah, to disable it you just basically press this again and now the child can they can use the windows and even get out. This cannot be done on only right side door level or left side door level, unlike old conventional cars. It will just do it for the entire rear seat. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.